The Opel Manta is back on the schedule. This one will be the next one in the paint booth. This is the last part of it to repair. This is the left side quarter panel. And no, I didn't do a before photo of this because it was so nasty. I wasn't going to post that. But it's coming along. It just takes time. These patches over here and this patch over here and all of the nasty stuff underneath the paint after I stripped it. Of course, if there's bodywork on it and I use chemical stripper, it has to go down to the metal. I have to redo all of the repair everywhere from scratch. And then I've got to come back here and do the rear body panel, which I'll have to do with the sandblaster because of all the angles and all the gaps and all the edges. I'll have to do this with the sandblaster just to get started. I stripped what I could, but then I've also got to do some sandblasting in the engine compartment, so that will finish it.